Hi! Rockets are by far one of the most mind-blowing invention of humankind ever. Not just because they put up a spectacular show, mainly because it's the only means of which we know to put objects in space. If the title of this video wasn't obvious enough, this video is about me trying to build a solid rocket motor, the part of the rocket which provides the thrust. This is just a compilation of my failed attempts in building a rocket motor. So let's start failing. It all started with me accidentally igniting the fuel mixture and nearly putting my house on fire. Then there were times when I made fireworks instead of rocket motor. Then there were other times when the fuel mixture wasn't in the right proportions and I ended up with nothing more than white smoke. Other times when everything seemed perfect but the rocket just wouldn't lift off for some weird reason. Of all this experience that I had, there was this time when the whole thing exploded, and that's when I realized how dangerous these stuffs really were. With failures upon failures to build something as simple as a rocket motor, on my 13th attempt, this happened. When that thing lifted off, it brought so much joy that I just can't explain. Finally, I succeeded in building a rocket motor. There are mainly 3 takeaways that I learned from trying to build a solid rocket motor. 1. Persistence is the key. Never lose hope and keep trying again and again. Number 2. Never ever go with the rule of thumb. It may work for others, it may work for everyone, but for you, it may just not work out. So just experiment and try to figure out what works for you. Number 3, trying to find people who share the common interest with you is something. It can make the work a lot easier. You'd be finding solutions more quickly than if you were to do it by yourself. I would have a follow-up video trying to build a rocket out of the solid motor that I just made. Stay tuned for that. Until then, this is me, a striving amateur. Goodbye.